Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the detailed process of repairing the Aorus 15 BKF motherboard. Let's start with the tools you will need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing screws during the disassembly. First, power off your laptop completely and unplug it from the power source. Remove the battery if possible. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws organized, as they vary in size. Once the back panel is removed, you will see the internal components. It's essential to proceed with caution at this stage. Start by disconnecting the battery connector from the motherboard. If you're unsure about handling this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Next, locate the RAM slots. Carefully remove the RAM modules by pushing the clips at either end. Set them aside in a safe place. Now, let's focus on the motherboard. Look for the screws that secure the motherboard in place. Using the Torx screwdriver, remove these screws, and gently lift the motherboard out. Take your time with this to avoid damaging any connections. Once the motherboard is out, inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If everything looks good, you'll want to clean the area around the CPU and GPU. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to remove old thermal paste. Apply new thermal paste evenly on the CPU before reseating the heatsink. After cleaning and applying thermal paste, it's time to reinstall the motherboard. Make sure all connections are secure and that you haven't missed any screws. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about the process, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you won't need to make any calls or travel anywhere to get your laptop repaired. Once the motherboard is securely in place, reinsert the RAM modules and reconnect the battery. Finally, replace the back panel and screw it back into place. Ensure that you've reattached all screws tightly to avoid any loose components. Now, power on the laptop to see if the repair was successful. You should see the boot screen if everything is functioning correctly. If your laptop does not power on, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We can help diagnose any remaining issues quickly and efficiently. In conclusion, repairing your Aorus 15 BKF motherboard is a manageable task with the right tools and patience. Remember, if you encounter any challenges, professional help is just a call away. We're here to assist you with all your laptop repair needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.